In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Apple Maps can't start root. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, since Apple Maps requires an internet connection to calculate and start routes. Next, check that location services are enabled by launching settings. Scroll down and head over to privacy and security. Click on the option location services. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. Then navigate to the option Apple Maps, launch it, check in for the option while using app, and toggle on for the option precise location. If error persists, close Apple Maps completely and relaunch it. You should also restart the device to refresh the GPS and network connections. Next up, launch settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it, as software updates can often fix navigation related issues. In some cases, choosing a different sharing location or searching for the destination again can resolve the problem. Lastly, reset location and privacy. For that, launch settings, go to general, click on transfer, reset iPhone, click on reset location and privacy, and complete the process. Lastly, you can completely delete Apple Maps from your device and reinstall it. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.